Of us are here, so if you want to pull out your Journeys book.
What was that? What was that? I think she farted. Was that you? That was a big one.
Tell me you got a girlfriend without telling me you got a girlfriend. I'll go first.
I love being in college because the professors like this man's right here.
As we teach about plagiarism, I stole most of the syllabus from Summerman. There's going to be 3 midterms we're going to have. The last midterm will be the last week of class. Why? Because I'm a thug. In the mornings, I kick puppies to get myself into the mood for teaching. If one exam you did badly, then I begin to think, maybe your boyfriend or girlfriend dumped you that week. Maybe you were on drugs. Maybe you were hungover for the exam. Now, if you blow 2 exams, it means you're stupid. 1 exam, drunk. 2 exams, stupid.
My physics professor don't give a fuck, and I go to a Christian liberal arts college.
Okay? What's wrong? Lily, what's wrong? I'll pay for it. Lily, what's wrong? I'll pay for your dessert, okay?
Lily, Lily.
고임 중에 그거에 만찬?
Sorry. 我會忙，媽媽煮整，媽媽也係。
So my mom just came in my room and I have my red lights on and I'm just, chilling, whatever. She goes, "Oh my god, your room looks so cute. You have your Christmas lights on." Honey. Girl.
Let me let you do it so you can practice.
No, you just go to your notes, right? Yeah, sure. She's fucking head off. You fucking understand me? Fucking understand.
Fast app.
Your favorite celebrity interview moment? The movie?
Mm-hmm.
So you play his dad?
No.
Is there anyone older than you in this movie?
Yes.
Who? Name one person.
Mel.
Gibson?
John.
How is he?
John. Old. Australian. She laughed a little bit.
I
did it.
No, I was farting out of my mouth. That was, excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Deep breath. Ready? Wait, one last time. Sophia's gonna get into Columbia.
Oh my god, I'm terrified.
Tell me you work out without telling me that you work out. I'll start. So these are my
Favorite pairs of leggings. But wait, there's more. There's all the black ones. These are the ones I bought this week.
Let me get it. Ow. Hey, no. Ow! Let me get it. Ow. Thank you.
What's something that's not a cult but seems like a cult?
Bitches that are into astrology. You motherfuckers are weird. Y'all be like, oh, he killed his mom, skinned his cat, and burned his house down? Must be a Capricorn. What? No. Or, oh, you're a Cancer? Yikes. Bitch, sorry my fucking parents decided to fuck in October. Or y'all see a bitch skipping down the hallway and y'all be like, she's a Virgo. She's a Virgo. Must be a Virgo. Has to be a Virgo. Virgo energy. Shut the fuck up.
Can we just talk about the fact that my best friend got me a calendar of her? Like, I'm not kidding. This bitch. So that video was captioned, "Your best friend could never." I want to say my best friend could. So 8th grade, my best friend got me a t-shirt of herself. It said, Brooke Grant is my best friend. Freshman year, she gets me a cardboard cutout of herself. Sophomore year, she got me a air freshener with her face on it. Junior year, she got me this ginormous blanket with multiple pictures of herself on it that says love. And then senior year, she got me underwear. This is the kicker. Let's say play with me. Your best friend could never.
If a stranger came up to you and said, I'm your mom's friend, and she sent me to pick you up, what would you say?
You're a liar because my mom doesn't have any friends.